guys, welcome back. Today we will be drawing two little cute cherries. You might not find them cute. Let's see. Okay, anyways, we will be drawing some cherries, as I said. One eye here, the other eye. Yeah, that's how small their eyes are. Then we're going to draw its little cute, adorable smile. Okay? You did that. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe this video, please. And we're going to be drawing the circle. The circle is really hard because you have to get the circle really perfect. Just like... Ooh, I made a mistake. Just a second. So it's a really big cherry. Yeah. Just like that. Did that? Looks like a cherry. No, it doesn't. It's just starting to be a cherry. We're gonna draw the other cherry with two eyes, the same as this one. Okay? So, two eyes. It's okay if it's supposed to be slanted. It's okay if it's supposed to be slanted because it's supposed to be like wonky donkey. It's like they're having fun or something. Ooh, I forgot to smile. Always need to smile. Yeah. Always need to smile to end your day or enjoy your amazing day. And I hope you all have an amazing day. I just needed to put this thing a little bit. Okay, what we're gonna do now is smile. Like that. Then we're going to do the cherry. Just like that. I'm just gonna rub out the extra points because somehow I do that. You like cherries? Like the video if you like cherries. If you don't, that's okay. I think I don't like cherries because I don't know. Opinion is an opinion. I don't know. Anyways, back to drawing. We're gonna be drawing this. Now we're gonna be drawing the stem. Stem right here. So we're gonna start here. Then we're gonna go over. It's a very long stem, I know that. Oh, that's too long. Probably about till here. That's fine. Then we're gonna do circle around, go back, just like that. For the other stem, we're gonna be going over it, like that. I mean, under it. We're gonna be going under this. Then you're gonna curve it, just like that. Then we're gonna draw a little cute leaf. We are going to be doing the second cherry because I am going to be doing 2 cherries because one is going to be pencil, one is going to be marker, and we're going to see the difference. So first, what we're going to do is draw 2 eyes. Same thing as this one. 2 eyes, right? Not here. Here. I did measuring here because I needed to be in the same line as this. Okay. Then we're going to draw a little smile, like we did on the other one, right here. Okay, good. Then we're going to draw the circle. The circle's always so hard for me. Only if you're using some kind of like material to help you, then it won't be so hard. I'm just drawing it. Just like that. After being the same. Ooh. Just like that. Has to be the same line. Sorry about this weird thing. Go away. Sorry, little rubbers. You know what you call this. There. Kind of weird. Circle. Hey. Second one. 2 eyes. Just this one. Just like this one. 2 eyes. 1 little cute smile. Just like that. Then we're gonna do the circle again. I'm gonna do the circle like that. Sorry about that. We are going to be doing the circle just like that. Then the stem. Okay, very good. Okay, till here. Then 1 here. Like that. Then we're gonna do another one going under it, like I did on the other one here. Just like that. And last but not least, now we're gonna color this one in these pencils. Now gonna be coloring this in these markers. I am outlining in pencil because if I do it in a black marker, it's gonna be too thick. Finally finished, and I hope you liked this video. If you tried this video, it's okay if you didn't get the same picture as me. At least you tried. I will see you in my next video. Well, yeah, I hope you liked this video. Bye!